New coding concepts, conditional expressions, ternary operators. In composite concept PY, this line here in the leaf does look kind of strange. Parent ID equals ID self-reference to parent, and then if self-reference to parent is not, none else none. Okay, let's look at that in VS Code. There's the line there. It's actually one line, but the auto formatting has made it into two lines. And also Pylint prefers lines not to be so long. So you can also read it a bit like that. So parent ID equals the ID of self-reference to parent if self-reference to parent is not none, else none. This is how you read it. So it's value if true, if condition. So if that condition evaluates to true, then that's the value, else value if false. If you've done other programming languages before and used if-else statements, they're usually written if something equals true, then that, else that. The order's been swapped around a little. So I'll just run some examples of that now. I'm going to create a variable, sun equals bright. Okay, so I'm going to create a new variable called sun is bright equals true, but only if sun equals bright, else false. Okay, so let's print sun is bright, true. So sun is bright equals true if sun equals bright, else false. Do another one. Ice is cold equals true. Ice temperature equals cold if ice is cold equals true, else hot. So ice temperature equals cold if ice equals cold equals true, else hot. Let's print ice temperature, cold. Another one, current value equals 99, danger equals 100. Alerting equals true if the current value is greater than or equal to danger, else false. So let's see what alerting equals. Alerting equals false. Okay, so following this link down here, let's look at the official documentation for conditional expressions. The expression x if c else y first evaluates the condition c rather than x. If c equals true, x is evaluated and its value is returned. Otherwise, y is evaluated and its value is returned. Okay, so when we go back to the code, when you see something like this where the line doesn't quite make sense intuitively, it's possible that it's a conditional expression. Okay, so in the next section, we'll look at the fly weight. Excellent.